Here I'm again discussing a quite similar question that we had dealt in the last video. In the last video we had a plus b equals to pi over 4, then prove that 1 minus tan a times 1 plus tan b equals to 2 we need to prove. And here we have in the form of cot, right? Cot a minus 1, cot b minus 1 equals to 2. And as we had discussed already in the previous video, we cannot solve this left hand side because we don't know the value of cot a and cot b, and even we cannot get the value of cot a and cot b by solving this thing, by solving this given thing. So we need to proceed from our given things. All right, directly we need to solve from here. And here we are given with a plus b equals to pi over 4. So since our all answers are in the cot form, all right, in cotangent form, so what we can do, we can take the cotangent both side. All right, so cotangent of a plus b, all right, is equal with cotangent of pi over 4. Pi over 4 is actually 45. All right, and one thing let me tell you here, if you know the formula of cotangent a plus b, that's very nice. That is actually cot a times cot b minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot b, right? And the value of cot pi by 4 is 1, right? If you don't know this, you can if you don't know the value of cot a plus b, then you can do one thing. Cot a plus b is equal with actually 1 over tan a plus b, and I'm sure you know the value of tan a plus b, and the value for the tan a plus b is first starting from the denominator, right? And in denominator, tan a plus b will be tan a plus tan b divided by, and the divided by things will go up, so it will be 1 minus tan a times tan b, right? And let's convert all the tan into the cotangent, so because our answers are in the form of cotangent, all right? So 1 minus, and this tan a will be 1 over cot a, and this tan b will be 1 over cot b, right? And divided by this tan a will be 1 over cot a, and this tan b will be 1 over cot b. And after solving, you'll get this cot a cot b will be here, cot a cot b, and then minus 1 divided by, divided by cot a cot b, and here also divided by cot a cot b it will be, so both will cancel up and you will get simply here cot a plus cot b. All right, so this is the formula for the cot a plus b. If you don't know, then you can go in this way. All right, and now let's do the same process that we had done in the previous video for the tan. All right, let's multiply this. We'll get here now cot a times cot b minus 1 equals to cot a plus cot b. And as I told in the right hand side of our proving thing, only there is numerical things. So what we have to do, we have to keep the numerical things into the one side. All right, here we have minus 1, so let's put this minus 1 into this side. So we'll get here now cot a times cot b, and this cot a will be now minus cot of a, and this cot b will be now minus of cot b, equals to, now this minus 1 will be plus 1. And now the things come here as we had done in the previous video. We need cot a minus 1 and cot b minus 1. See here, if I'm taking here cot a and cot a common, then I'll get here cot b minus 1, because here will be nothing, then there will be left with 1, so cot b minus 1. But here I'm not gonna get again cot b minus 1 or cot minus a. I need to get the cot a minus 1 also, so cot a will be here, and if I'm getting 1 from here, then I can easily write cot a minus 1. So it means we need to add plus 1 as we had done in the previous video. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add here also plus 1 and here also plus 1, so it will be now cot a times cot b minus cot a minus cot b, and then plus 1, and here also 1 plus 1. So by doing so, 1 plus 1 we get 2. All right, we don't have any problem now, and we need to simplify this left hand side. So let's see now what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the common. I'm gonna take the common this cot a, right? So I took common cot a, then I'm left with now cot b minus 1. All right, we finish this two part, and now let's discuss on these two parts. All right, so minus, and if there is nothing, then I can write here 1. I took common, so I'll be left with cot b, and this was plus. All right, plus is actually minus times minus, and I took 1 minus outside, so 1 minus is left now, so it will be minus 1. All right, and that's going to be 2 now. And if we simplify further, see here we have cot b minus 1 and cot b minus 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the cot b minus 1 common, cot b minus 1 common, and then cot a minus 1, that's equals to 2. And if you want in your exact answer form, then it is cot A minus 1 times cot B minus 1 equals to 2. Right, this is what the question is asking. Right, we proved it. It's proved. Right, check it out the questions here. Cot A minus 1 cot B minus 1 equals to 2, and here we have cot A minus 1 cot B minus 1 equals to 2. So I hope you understand it how we did. And this question was quite similar to the previous question as we had did, so I don't think I need to give more explanation here. I hope you understand it, and if there is more confusion in this explanation, then please feel free to comment below this video. I'll really get back to your comment, and I really appreciate something to hear from your side. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.